Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the Pocket Option platform and I'm going to be trading regular currency pairs utilizing one indicator here. And that indicator, if we click on the indicator icon here, is known as the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator. Okay, so when we pull up the indicator here, we see a green line and a red line and a lower red line here. The green line represents a dynamic level of resistance, while the red line represents a dynamic level of support. So if I go in and click the pencil icon on the indicator settings here, the period is set to 2, which is the default setting. So we're going to maintain the default setting. And in my style settings, I've changed only the background color to white. Okay, so that way, and the reason why I did that is it makes the seeing the green and the red lines easier. Okay, so for my candlestick chart, I've set the candles to 1 minute, regular Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I've also set the timer to 1 minute. So I'll be taking 60-second trades. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for our first setup. Okay, so I'm on the Great British Pound, Japanese Yen currency pair, and I just took a buy trade because I'm anticipating this current candle is going to close outside the upper boundary, and it just did close. So the candle closed outside the boundary of the Fractal Chaos band line here, the upper boundary, and this suggests there's going to be a bullish breakout to the upside. So let's monitor this trade. It's currently pushing upwards. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. And I didn't wait for the candle to close. As soon as I anticipated the candle would close, okay. So we won that trade. As soon as I anticipated that the candle would close outside the Fractal Chaos band line here, I went ahead and took the trade. Okay, so let's pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Swiss franc Japanese yen currency pair, and I took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade here is if you see the candle here, it pushes outside the upper boundary of the Fractal Chaos band. It also breaks the two previous levels of support just above here, and this suggests that there's a bullish breakout to the upside. So I went ahead and took the trade before the candle even closed because I anticipated that the candle it was going to close outside the chaos band here, and it just closed here. You see, this is where the candle closed, but I went ahead and took the trade because I knew this candle was going to close outside the chaos band line here. All right, so let's, okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Euro Swiss franc currency pair. And if you notice the previous candle here, it closed below the lower boundary of the fractal chaos band, and that's the signal. And so I went ahead and took a sell trade or a put trade because this indicates to me that there's going to be a bearish breakout to the downside here. And so I'm anticipating that this price will continue to push downward. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry here. Okay, great. So we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Great British Pound, Canadian Dollar currency pair. And similarly to the previous trade here, I noticed this strong green candle, and it just closed outside the Fractal Chaos band line here. And that's the trigger that tells me that I'm anticipating a bullish breakout to the upside and that the price will continue to push upward. It also broke a previous level of resistance here, and I'm anticipating the price will continue to push up. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. It was a close trade, but I got the entry right on time. All right, so let's pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Swiss franc Japanese yen currency pair, and I took the trade. I took a sell trade here, and I noticed the Fractal Chaos band line. The previous red candle here broke the below the Fractal Chaos band, and the 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 candle actually closed below the band line here, and that's the trigger for uh, suggesting that there's going to be a bearish breakout to the downside here. So let's watch this trade. It seems to be pushing downward. Uh, and I took the trade before the actual candle closed here because I knew the candle was going to close below the lower boundary of the chaos band line here. All right, so we won that trade, and I'm going to close out the session here. If you like the video, if you like the strategy, give it a thumbs up. Please share the video. And if you're interested in trading the strategy, I have a link to the platform in the video comments and in the channel description. So thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt signing off.